Welcome to the SOLAS for Missing Data Analysis Getting Started tutorial. The short step-by-step guide will show you how to get your data into SOLAS, how to do some initial exploratory analysis of your data. We will then show you how to conduct a basic multiple imputation and finally show you how to export your data back to SAS. Missing data analysis can be broken down into three simple steps: data exploration, data imputation, and subsequent data analysis. We will follow this three-step process throughout this tutorial. But first we must load our data into SOLAS. SOLAS can read in a large number of different file formats from popular software systems, including SAS, SPSS, Stata, R, S+, and many more. Loading data into SOLAS is quick and easy. Simply select File and then Open to see this window. Click on the All Files tab shown here and select your required file format from the extensive list. Once you choose your file to be opened, SOLAS allows you to specify a number of options relating to that file, such as column labels and which symbol was used to denote missing values. You can also define variable attributes, such as whether a variable is continuous or categorical. Once you have specified these options, your data will appear in the SOLAS datasheet window. So now you might like to get an initial overview of what the overall missing data situation is within this dataset. For this you can use SOLAS's unique missing data pattern graphics. From the View menu in the SOLAS datasheet, simply select Missing Data Pattern. Then the Specify Missing Data Pattern window will appear. And for this Getting Started tutorial, we will select Use All Variables. So the missing data pattern then appears, but for large data sets we highly recommend that you use the collapse feature so that you can get an instant summary of your missing data. So from the View menu, choose Collapse, and then the Collapse Missing Data Pattern appears. With the collapse missing data pattern, you can see that you have 39 complete cases and then a number of other cases with various different patterns of missing data. For instance, there is one case where variable 9 alone is missing and 4 cases where variables 7 and 11 are both missing. Equally, you can see that variable 9 is missing in 2 cases, while variable 11 is missing in a total of 7 cases. So now you are beginning to get a better understanding of the extent and spread of the missing data in this dataset. Also from the View menu, you can select the SOLAS margin plot that allows you to discover more about the missingness relationship between two variables. This margin plot is essentially a basic scatter plot with information values that have a correspondingly missing value in the opposite variable plotted in red along the margins of the plot. The margins also contain box plots of both the observed data, which is in blue, and the missing data in red, so that you can see if there is a difference in spread between observed and missing values. Once you are happy with your initial exploratory work, you can then proceed to the imputation step of the missing data analysis process. SOLAS offers you 9 different imputation options, including 5 methods for multiple imputation, which are propensity score-based multiple imputation, predictive mean matching, predictive model-based multiple imputation, Mahalanobis distance matching, and a combination of the above methods, which is unique to SOLAS. And SOLAS also has 4 more basic methods for single imputation, such as hot decking, predictive mean imputation, group means, and last observation or last value carried forward. To select a method, simply click on the Analyze button in the SOLAS datasheet and select single or multiple imputation. For this example, we will select the propensity score method from the multiple imputation options list. For this Getting Started tutorial, we will concentrate only on the base setup options. The other tabs in this window, such as monotone, non-monotone, donor pool, etc., contain more advanced options to allow you to control other attributes of your imputation process, allowing you to get the best possible imputation result for your particular requirements. Here in Base Setup, you can simply drag and drop variables to be imputed. You can specify a grouping variable if required, and you can also set your fixed covariates if appropriate. You can also specify the number of imputed datasets you require. 10 is fairly standard, but SOLAS can impute up to 50 separate datasets. SOLAS is fast at producing imputations, but obviously the time taken to impute will depend on the size of your initial dataset, the amount of missing values, the number of imputed datasets required, and the other attributes you use to specify the imputation model. Once the imputations are completed, SOLAS displays the now completed datasets. Each tab along the bottom of the datasheet will open a separate completed dataset. The values shown in red and in blue are the imputed values. Red are monotone and light blue are non-monotone values. To explore the range of imputations generated by SOLAS, you can use the SOLAS post-imputation scatter plot with the Show All Points options enabled. Here you can see the range of values SOLAS imputed for each missing value. Once your imputations are completed, SOLAS offers you a number of different alternatives for further analysis and investigative procedures. You can conduct a range of statistical analyses within SOLAS itself. SOLAS can be used to conduct a sensitivity analysis of your missing data procedures, and of course you can export the imputed datasets directly back to SAS or another statistical application for further analysis and exploration. The range of statistical analyses available from within SOLAS itself are descriptive statistics, regression, tables, t-tests and non-parametric tests, and ANOVA. These procedures are run using BMDP algorithms, and so the results are fully reliable for precision and accuracy. Essentially, sensitivity analysis is a stress test of your missing data assumptions, asking, do these assumptions hold under different imputation processes? A recent FDA-commissioned report entitled The Prevention and Treatment of Missing Data in Clinical Trials highly recommends that sensitivity analysis should now be performed for all clinical trial submissions. With its wide choice of imputation methods, SOLAS is a great choice for performing sensitivity analysis. Exporting your data to SAS, SPSS and other statistical analysis software applications is quick and easy. Simply click on File in the SOLAS datasheet and select Save Data page. You can then choose your preferred file type from the list available. In this case, we will choose the SAS transport file format .xpt. Once saved to your desktop, this file can then be opened by SAS and will appear in the format and style of all SAS files. You can then proceed to analyze this imputed dataset from within SAS. Our website has many more SOLAS video tutorials and webinars to help you get the most from the software. Visit our website to discover these and so much more about multiple imputation in general and about SOLAS in particular. We are always very happy to hear directly from our users, so please feel free to contact us with any questions you might have about missing data analysis. We will be delighted to assist you. Thank you for watching the SOLAS Getting Started tutorial.